Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Myself, Reena ma'am. Children, do you remember what you have learned yesterday?
Yes, you have learnt alphabet T, so let's do revision of alphabet T with pictures.
This is alphabet T. Capital T, Mama T, small t, baby T. T for table. T for tap. T for tire. T for teapot. T for tile. T for telephone. T for tub.
T for towel.
T for tiger. T for teeth. T for tomato. T for toaster. T for top. T for train. T for tractor. T for tent. T for truck. T for television. T for tongue. T for tree. T for turtle.
Children, did you enjoy the revision? Yes. So let's do an activity for alphabet T. Let's start.
Children, what is this? Yes, this is a tree. Tree starts from which letter? Who will tell me? Yes, tree starts from letter T. Today, we will decorate this tree for letter T. Here, I have a drawing of a tree on the chart paper. We will stick pieces of paper on it and make our tree look beautiful. I have some brown and green color paper cutouts and a glue stick. We will decorate our tree with these paper cutouts. First, we will apply glue on chart paper and then start sticking. I am applying glue on bottom part of tree. This is a tree trunk. We will stick brown paper on the trunk. Children, today we will make collage with these paper cutouts. We will put these brown paper cutouts very close and we will also overlap them so that our tree looks nice. बच्चों, आज हम इस पेपर कटआउट से कोलाज बनाएंगे। हम इन ब्राउन पेपर को एकदम पास पास में रखेंगे, एक दूसरे के ऊपर ओवरलैप भी करेंगे ताकि हमारा ट्री सुंदर दिखे। चिल्ड्रन, बी केयरफुल that all the spaces are filled properly with the paper cutouts. Okay, children? See, children, we have decorated trunk of tree with brown paper cutouts. Now, we will decorate upper part of tree. First, we will apply glue on it and then we will stick these green paper cutouts on upper part of tree. What are we decorating, children? Yes, we are decorating tree. And tree starts from which letter? Tree starts from letter T. We will put this green paper also very close, and by this our tree will look so green and beautiful. बच्चों, एक्टिविटी में मज़ा आ रहा है ना? आप भी घर पे छोटे छोटे पेपर के कटआउट्स करके ऐसे डिफरेंट कोलाज बना सकते हो, है ना? देखो, मैंने ये पेपर के कितने छोटे छोटे पीसेस कर दिए हैं और अच्छे से उसको ट्री पे स्टिक कर रही हूँ। आप भी ऐसे सुंदर कोलाज बना सकते हो, ठीक है? हम इन ग्रीन पेपर को भी ध्यान से बिल्कुल पास पास में रखेंगे और इससे हमारा ट्री एकदम ग्रीन और सुंदर दिखेगा। देखो देखो बच्चों, धीरे धीरे पूरा ट्री कितना सुंदर लगने लगा है ना? See children, slowly our whole tree is filled with green paper cutouts. धीरे धीरे हमने सारा ट्री ग्रीन पेपर कटआउट से भर दिया। Look children, how beautiful it is. You can do this activity at your home with the help of your mama.
Now, let's see the solution of worksheet.
Children, see my worksheet. I have done red and green color in picture of tomato. Have you done like this? Good job.
Bye bye children. See you in the next session.